The Lawhill CHEKSURE cut sheet finishing system, as with all Lawhill equipment, is assembled from a number of separate modules. These are verification, cutting, stitching and binding. This flexible modular approach means that systems can be supplied initially to meet specific customer requirements, but which can be expanded to meet the changing demands that the future inevitably brings. The automate is the modular part of the CHEKSURE system and provides very secure document integrity. Since sheets are drawn individually from the suction feeder, each can be passed over or under a reading device before entering the collating tray. The type of reading device will depend on the style of marks which can be positioned on each sheet during the printing process. The most common systems are OMR, optical mark recognition, OCR, optical character recognition, and conventional or two-dimensional barcodes. For maximum security and ease of implementation, barcode reading offers the most flexible, cost-effective approach and will enable the capture of data which can be processed to verify that each sheet is printed on the correct stock, is in the correct order, and is in the correct document set. Barcodes can be discreetly positioned either out of view or obviously visible for future processing, as in mailing applications. The Lawhill CHEKSURE system takes folios from a bulk feeder, in this case 40 sheets, decollates them, verifies their correctness for quantity and sequence, and then recollates them again. After the integrity of the document has been verified, the folio is fed into a guillotine where it is cut down into single books. The book is then passed to a stitching unit where two staples are inserted before moving to the backstripping unit, which tapes the spine of the book. On this particular system, the book is conveyed to a wrapping machine. However, this could be inserted into an envelope if required. The CHEKSURE is completely modular and begins with the bulk feeder, which holds some 4,000 sheets. The bulk feeder is loaded by hand and decollates the sheets into a suction feeder. Verification is by the reading of barcodes which have been previously printed on the stock, usually on the spine edge. The folio is then recollated while the verification system checks each sheet, ensuring that only the correct number of sheets and in the required sequence go to make up the finished book. The verified folio is then pushed along the infeed track to the guillotine unit. Here, the folio is cut down into single books. After cutting, the books are passed to the stitching unit where two staples are inserted into each book. The books then move to the backstripping unit, which places heat seal tape along the spine edge. The book, now stitched and taped, is placed on a conveyor for packaging. In this instance, it is flow wrapped. The CHEKSURE system shown typically produces finished books in this form, achieving net speeds of 1500 books per hour, and is manned by one operator only. It can handle books of up to 105 mm deep and 280 mm wide, with a thickness of up to 14 mm. However, sizes outside this range can be catered for. Make-readies or system adjustments take less than 4 minutes. The combination of verification, guillotine, stitching and binding modules linked to an output conveyor is the most flexible and reliable system available today. The finished, wrapped book is now ready to go directly into the postal system.